Welcome to HQR. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to check data results. From the dashboard, you will find Data Results on the left menu. This includes the results for all of the various delivery methods, such as Chart Abstracted, ECQM, HCAPS, and Population and Sampling. Let's click on ECQM. This is the Upload History page. Here, you can check on file submissions, file accuracy, and file outcomes. You can review by test or production. Here, the default is set to test. To change it, simply click on the drop-down, then highlight and click Production. Now let's check on the accuracy of a recent upload from Q4 2020. First, change the submission and quarter drop-downs. Here, we see 4 files were rejected. In the table below, we can see the errors. If we click on the error asterisk, we get a new window with the file error details. We see this submitter was not authorized to submit for this provider. To close, click OK. Next, you can check outcomes on the last tab. And that's it. Look for more quick tutorials at hqr.cms.gov/support.